Welcome! This video will provide guidance on managing privately purchased vaccine inventory in the Washington State Immunization Information System, or IIS. This video covers the information in the Search, Add, Reconcile, and Report Inventory Reference Guide found on the IIS Training Materials portal at www.doh.wa.gov/training IIS. Once you've logged into the IIS with your username and password, you can add inventory, as long as your IIS account has the appropriate user permissions. If you do not have access to the lot numbers heading in the navigation menu on the left, please reach out to the IIS help desk. Publicly funded vaccines are typically added to a clinic's IIS inventory through receiving an order or transfer. Private lots can be added to a clinic's IIS inventory by adding them manually on the Search Add screen, which can be found under the Lot Numbers heading in the navigation menu on the left. Enter the vaccine product, manufacturer, and the lot number from the vaccine box. Then click the Search button. If there are no matching inventory items in the search results, click the Add button. Enter the information for the vaccine you wish to add. Required fields are marked in red. For privately purchased inventory, select Private for funding source and the appropriate reason category. Include the number of doses added, enter the vaccine product, and select the NDC number from the drop-down. Then click Add. The Lot Number Maintenance Details screen will appear. Once you see this screen, you can view this inventory item by clicking the Lot Numbers heading from the navigation menu on the left and selecting Reconciliation. You can see this lot number here. The reconciliation page may include public and private lots. Public lots will be shown in darker gray, and private lots will be shown in lighter gray. You can see in this example here, vaccines set to expire in 30 days or less will be highlighted yellow. Expired vaccines will be shown in red. To reconcile your inventory, print this page and take it to where your clinic stores inventory. Once you've counted the inventory on hand, you can account for any positive or negative inventory adjustments or discrepancies on this page by entering your physical inventory here. Let's run through an example of this. This vaccine is set to expire and we have 4 doses on hand in our IIS inventory. We've done our physical inventory count and we have no doses left for this lot number. 2 doses were drawn up and not used, and 2 doses were given but not linked to an administered vaccine in the IIS. To account for these discrepancies, we'll enter a physical inventory count of 2, and then we'll see the negative adjustment here. Then we'll select the appropriate category and reason for the discrepancy. Administered for the category, administered but not linked to a vaccine for the reason. To add another line for the same lot number, we can click the Add Row button on the far right column. You can see we've accounted for this discrepancy here, and now we'll enter the doses on hand as 0 and select Wasted for the category and Drawn Up Not Used for the reason. When reconciling private inventory in the IIS, you do not need to submit monthly inventory. Simply hit the Save button. Now we can see we have 0 quantity on hand in our IIS inventory. To inactivate a lot number, you can click the Inactive box in this column. Once you select Save, this item will no longer be viewed in your reconciliation screen. Inactive lots can be found through the Search Add screen within the Lot Numbers menu heading. Once vaccines have been added to your IIS inventory, vaccine records that include lot information will automatically subtract or decrement from your inventory. You can also run reports in the IIS to view and manage lot information and to troubleshoot and correct patient records when necessary. For further guidance on reconciling inventory, please visit the IIS Training Materials portal for more information. For general IIS account help, please contact the help desk. For training and troubleshooting guidance, email the training team at iis.training@doh.wa.gov. Additional IIS training resources are available on the IIS Training Materials portal at www.doh.wa.gov/training-IIS. Thank you for watching this video on managing private inventory in the Washington State Immunization Information System.